Hello everyone and welcome back to the SuperTeki channel, Assistência Informática ao Domicilio in Portugal. We are unboxing today a Tapo outdoor security Wi-Fi camera. We are going to unbox it and we are going to set it up. So this is the TC65. You can see the illustration here on how it looks like. It's got 2K resolution, night vision. It supports micro SD storage up to 512 gigs. It's IP66 waterproof and it's got person and motion detection. Looking at the other side of the box, we've got the TC65 2K 3 megapixel camera, two-way audio, built-in microphone and speaker. We've got night vision with infrared light, so it does support wireless and wired connection, and it's waterproof IP66. Looking at the other side of the box, we've got person and motion detection to protect you day and night, and a few other features here which include dual powerful antennas, activity zones. We can set up activity zones and only receive alerts for that specific zone. It's got a sound alarm. It supports local and cloud storage. So whilst I'm opening this, if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. And if you do like our videos, please do also hit that like button. It's completely free. It helps the channel to grow. We are going towards 7K, so please do help to reach that goal. And opening up the box, we've got a quick startup guide. Actually two startup guides. We've got a sticker here. There is a public license notice. Then we've got the power cord. This is the EU power cord. We've got something else here, and this is to protect the cable. We've got the bolts and nuts here. And what else have we got? And we've got the camera right here. Okay, nothing else in there. So let's have a quick look into the camera. So on the camera, just untangle this up here. Right, so we've got the camera here and we've got the connections here. So we've got a connection here for network cable, but we're going to connect this through Wi-Fi. So this is what the camera looks like. We've got the two antennas right over here. We've got the camera, the infrared lights here, so the lens are here. We've also got a speaker here at the bottom. We've got the reset button, and we also have the SD card slot. And at the back here, we've got the MAC address, the serial number, and some other information. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this up. So to set up the camera, we're going to need a smartphone, and we're going to need the QR code that comes in the manual. And this is to download the application for us to be able to install and set up the camera. So what I'm going to do here on my phone is open up the camera, and I'm going to scan the QR code. So once scanned the QR codes, I can just tap on the link. This will then open link for me to download the app through Google Store. If you're using iPhone, it should take you to the Apple Store. So I'm going to tap on install. It's going to install the application. And once I have finished installing the application, then I can power up the camera. So I'm going to have the power cable here ready. And for you to power on, you just need to connect the camera to the power cable as such. I'm going to get this ready and just wait for the app to complete the installation. It's now installed. I'm going to open the app and I'm going to accept the privacy policy. I don't want to adhere to the customer experience program, so I'm just going to tap on next here. Now it asks me if I want to create a TP-Link ID. I've already got one. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one. If you already have one, you just need to sign in. So I'm just going to select sign in, and I'm going to enter my details. So I've now entered my details here. So I'm going to tap on login, and I am just going to allow it to send me notifications. and I'm gonna select later for two-step verification. And now I can add my camera. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to power up the camera. So let's connect here to a power source. So it's going to connect. It's got some lights over there. And now I can add a camera. So let's select on tap here at the top right hand side and add equipment. And here we can select exterior camera. And now I need to indicate what is the model of this camera. So this is TC65. So we're just going to look here for TC65. Here we go. So this is the one here. Select it. And it's going to ask us how do we want to connect. Select wireless. Yes. And we just need to wait 30 seconds until the LED light starts blinking. So it is blinking, as you can see. Now select next. I need to locate the camera. So select next. And I'm going to select here, or to allow that my camera, or that my phone is allowed to search for devices. Select next. It's going to search for the device. Now I need to connect to the device's Wi-Fi, and to do that I need to look for the camera. So if I go over to my Wi-Fi network and go over to details, and I look for the camera, which is this one here, select the Tapo cam, bearing in mind that your camera might have a different SSID, but I presume they all should be basically the same. So it's going to connect, and I'm going to indicate that I want to keep it connected. Then go back into the app, and it says here now that the app is looking for the camera. It has now found it, and now I need to connect to my Wi-Fi network. So this Wi-Fi network is going to connect to a 2.4 gigahertz network. And I'm going to select this one because this camera is going to go to the front. So I'm going to tap on this camera, and it's got the name of the network. Now I need to input the Wi-Fi password. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've entered the Wi-Fi passwords. And now I can select here to save the password, select next, and it's going to finish setting it up. Now it asks me to change the name of the device. So here I can set a location where it is. I can put here, for example, entrance hall. Select next, and it asks me to put an icon. I can just put whatever I want. I'll just select this one, and it is complete now. I can click on finish, and it asks for a survey. I don't want to answer to that now. And now it asks me to configure the local storage. I don't want to select that now. And now here I can set up the time that I want the camera to update the firmware. It can be between 3 and 5 a.m. and just select yes, and it's got the new camera there. Sound, yep, that's better. And here now I can see the camera. I'm gonna set this up outside in a minute, and we'll see how it works. So this is how you set up this camera. Of course, there are a lot of features on the app that you can have a look into. A few things you can do: you can remove the camera, you can restart the camera, you can update the firmware. You got support, user guides, some intelligent actions. You can share the device with someone else. There is advanced options as well, the account camera, the frequency of electricity, diagnostics, etc. Have a look, explore, and this is it really for this unboxing and setup video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be setting this up outside, and I'll show you some footage as well as to what it is in terms of the quality. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch up on the next one.